Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the physical aperture that will shape bokeh highlights. First, trace your lens diameter on a black card and cut a circular disc. Next, draw a compact 5-7 petal flower in the center and carefully cut out the shape with an X-Acto knife. Sharper edges give cleaner bokeh. Once done, test the disc by holding it over a bright light. Make sure the hole is centered and about 30 to 50% of the disc for clear flower highlights. Now you attach and configure. Secure the flower disc over your lens front with low reflective tape or a filter adapter so there are no stray light leaks. Alignment matters. Place small point light sources in the background 3 to 10 meters behind your subject to create distinct bokeh orbs. On the camera, pick a wide aperture like f/1, 8 to f/2. 8. Switch to manual focus and step close to your foreground subject. Then move focus so the lights fall well outside the depth of field. Finish by composing and testing until the flower bokeh looks right. Position your subject close to the lens and the lights far behind it. Then take a series of test shots, each time nudging focus so the lights blur into flower shapes. If the flower edges look fuzzy, make sure the cut is clean and consider recutting the aperture from thicker matte black card to block stray light. Once satisfied, shoot variations, different apertures and flower shapes to build a complete set of creative images.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.